Manablocs are a home-run water distribution system allowing for easier maintenance, fewer potential leak points, and faster hot water delivery. Viega Manablocs have 3 supply ports. The 2 on this side are used to supply hot and cold water to the Manabloc, while the 3rd port on the other side can be used to supply cold water to your water heater or to connect additional Manablocs or mini blocks. The 3rd port can also be sealed with an end cap if it isn't needed. Each supply port requires an adapter. These adapters are not standard MPT and aren't usually sold at local hardware stores. When choosing your adapters, make sure the size you get matches the size of the supply line you're working with. Manablocs are available for both crimp and PEX press fitting systems. For a crimp Manabloc, you'll need a crimp tool and crimp rings. Similarly, for a PEX press Manabloc, you'll need the Viega PEX press tool. We offer complete money-saving bundles that include the Manabloc, all the necessary port fittings, 2 valve T-handles for turning ports on and off, 2 supply adapters, 1 supply end cap, and 1 pair of mounting straps. Each bundle also includes color-coded labels to clearly identify each fixture. The Manabloc is rated at 100 psi at 180 degrees Fahrenheit and comes with a 10-year warranty for reliable, long-lasting performance in a variety of systems. Get more info about the Viega Manabloc here, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.